Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making a delicious and aromatic mutton yakhni pulao, and I promise you, it turns out absolutely amazing. So let's get started. First, I'm showing you the mutton. I've taken 1.5 kilograms of meat along with 500 grams of bones for extra flavor. I've added it into a pressure cooker. Now into this, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, followed by 3 green chilies, finely chopped. Then I'm going in with 1 cup of yogurt. This helps tenderize the meat and adds richness to the pulao. For seasoning, I've added 1 tablespoon of salt, or as per your taste. Next, I'm adding 3 to 4 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 1.5 tablespoons of fennel seeds, and 1 tablespoon crushed coriander. Then I've crushed a little bit of nutmeg and mace and added that in too. Trust me, it smells incredible already. To build more flavor, I'm adding 2 medium cinnamon sticks, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 3 black cardamoms, 7 to 8 green cardamoms, 3 star anise, and around 10 to 12 whole cloves. Finally, I've added 1 large onion, roughly sliced, and enough water to cook everything well. Let's give it a quick stir to mix all those beautiful ingredients together. Now I'm covering the pressure cooker and cooking this for about 35 minutes. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really motivates me to bring you more delicious recipes like this. Alright, after 35 minutes, I open the lid, and the meat is perfectly cooked and tender. I've set it aside, and now it's time to prepare the base for the pulao. In a separate pan, I've added 1 cup of oil, and now I'm sautéing 3 medium onions. We're cooking these until they turn a light golden brown. Now I've strained and saved the yakhni or stock from the pressure cooker and discarded the whole spices. Once done, I've added 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cooked that for a minute to remove the raw smell. Now I'm adding the cooked mutton and bones from earlier and frying them for about 5 minutes to deepen the flavor. I've made a puree using 3 large tomatoes and added that in. This adds a lovely tang and color to the pulao. Cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes while stirring gently. I'm pouring that flavorful yakhni into our meat mixture now. Give it a quick stir and let it come to a nice boil. Time to add 4 whole green chilies for a little kick. Now I've taken 1,200 grams of basmati rice, soaked for 30 minutes, and I've drained them and added them straight into the boiling yakhni. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of garam masala for that beautiful aroma, and stirring it all together gently. Then I've added 1 tablespoon of ajinomoto, totally optional but gives a restaurant-style flavor. Stir everything once more gently. Now I've added 1 cup of milk. This makes the rice softer and adds a lovely richness. Stir that in as well. Keep the flame on medium and cook until the water level reduces to the top of the rice. As soon as that happens, I've added a few cubes of butter, place the lid on and let it steam for 15 to 20 minutes. And that's it. After opening the lid, just look at that. The rice is perfectly cooked, fluffy, and packed with so much flavor. I've served it hot and it smells divine. If you enjoyed this recipe, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments which country you're watching from. I love hearing from you all. Thank you so much for being here.